Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix no sound during calls on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. Let's begin! If you have any troubles with your sound during calls, there's few things that you want to do. First of all, you want to click the volume buttons, either of one, and then go into clicking these three dots. Now we have 5 different sliders, each corresponding to other source of volume basically. And we want to focus on the 4th one, which is call volume. As you can see, we can fully change the volume of our calls. Now, if you are on a call with somebody and then you change the volume buttons by clicking the volume buttons, then this should increase or decrease accordingly. However, if you forget to do that and if you have set it to very low value, then it might seem that you don't really hear anything during your calls. Now, make note that you cannot actually mute it completely. It will always be like emitting some sort of value, some sort of volume, but it's so low that some people may actually mistaken it for, well, no sound at all, which, to be honest, is completely acceptable. So make sure that you have this bumped up to volume, to value like this, and every issue should be resolved. However, if you are sure that you've changed it and your sound is here set to some sort of high value and yet you have nothing, then you want to go into the drop down menu here, and to be honest, you can clearly see that I am currently connected to Bluetooth device, and by default every single call that I'm going to answer on this device is going to be like transferred into that Bluetooth device. So the mic will be from the Bluetooth device and I will hear other person talking via my headphones here. Now, there are a few ways we can change that. First of all, we can go into the settings of specific the device in my Bluetooth settings, and we can go and disable phone calls, and now my headphones are only going to allow media, but calls will be transferred normally and I will have to use my phone here, not the headphones. Because sometimes you might think that you are using headphones, that you are using your phone, while actually the person you're trying to speak to is speaking to nothing because you don't have your headphones on. It does happen and it's completely fine. So make sure that this is disabled, or if you just don't know if you have some sort of Bluetooth device connected, you can just turn off Bluetooth completely, just like that, and now you have ruled every single Bluetooth device in existence. So, as a reminder, you want to check your call volume in here. Make sure it's not low, because then you may think that it doesn't really work or that it's very, very low. And then make sure to rule out every single Bluetooth device that you could have been connected to whenever you try to call somebody. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.